Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Sequoia headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a new headlight bulb and a screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns. Next, locate the headlight assembly in the engine bay, preparing for the removal process. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Begin by carefully taking out any retaining clips or screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. Once those are free, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Finally, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Remember to handle it with care, as it might still be hot or fragile. It's time to install your new headlight bulb. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic or metal base, never touch the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into its housing, making sure it's seated securely. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring a tight and proper connection. For the final steps, reassemble everything. Carefully reattach the headlight assembly, securing it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. If needed, you might want to adjust the headlight's aim to ensure optimal illumination and avoid blinding other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.